How are you? Today I'm going to show you uh, data of a text view on a click of toggle button. So let's start. Create a new Android project as we do all every time. Uh, let's say project name is toggle button, and then click on simply next, and then simply finish. So guys, as you can see that our project is ready for coding. So let's start. First of all, go to your XML file, that is activity underscore main. Over here, change this constraint layout. We will do change into linear layout, or uh, let's leave linear layout. We will change it into relative layout. Relative layout. Okay, and uh, these constraints parameters, we do not want these parameters, and we want this text view simple, and we will give this text view a id, that is id, and its id will be uh, tv underscore, um, you can say tutorials. Okay, and come to our design part of the layout, and we will do some changes over in it, as well as in the text view into the center, and we want a toggle button. So just simply into the widget area, here it is the toggle button, on that is the third option. We will just simply drag and drop it into our XML file over here, and do also some changes in its parameters, like we will give its width to match parent instead of wrap content, match parent, and you can see it is and we will remove this left margin and margin, that is start, because when we drag and drop something, so it automatically takes its margin and from every sides of the corner in relative layout. So we do not want this margin of left and start, and simply you can see that. And now we will over here change this text to Android tutorials from hello world to Android tutorial. Android tutorials. And we'll give also its you can say text size also to 15 sp, and some color also to look our layout to be beautiful. Let's say Android, we will go to our Android files and just simply control plus space, and it will show some default colors which is already present in our project by default. And let's say we want red, simply we're gonna type over here red. Wait a second, what's going to be happen? See, here it is, hollow red dark. Okay, and over here we will also uh, you can see now still our text size is very small, so we are going to change this size from 15 to 25. Now it's look better. So our XML part is almost ready. So now come to our main class where we want to perform our coding, that is main activity class. So start over here, just create an object of toggle button that we want. Toggle button, oh sorry, I write two times. Oh, we want to write toggle button, and we want to create its object, that is toggle. We'll copy from here and just simply paste over here. Now we want text view, that is here, and also we have to create an object of this text view. And where's the idea of a text view? It is here. Just we will again copy it from here and paste it into our class, that is this. Now we have to find our text view and toggle button in our onCreate method. So we will simply write tv underscore tutorials is equals to find view by id. Now r dot id dot tv tutorials, and then simply alt plus enter, as this needs to be cast into its text view widget. uh, Now our toggle button, and then uh, view is equals to find view by id r dot id dot toggle button. Now again we have to cast it into toggle button, its widget into toggle button. Now we simply want to do nothing, just want to perform some action on its click. Wait a second, we have to first over here just click, we have to do some changes in our text view. By default we will make our text view's visibility to be gone. We do not want to show our text view visibility to our users, so we will do some changes like set text view tv tutorials dot set visibility, and we will give its visibility into gone, that is here. Just simply writes capital G and view dot gone. Now by default our text view visibility will be hidden to into our layout. So now over here come to a toggle button and write toggle button dot set on click listener, and we will create its anonymous object, that is new control plus space on click listener, and here it is created an overriding method of on click. Now we do not want to do nothing, just simply make some conditions of if and else, that is if we will create a bracket. We want two brackets, that is for to check the visibility for toggle button, that is if toggle button. We have to create uh, we want to write here toggle button and then take its view into this next bracket, that what will be the view at present toggle button has. We will write over here view, that is v simple, and click on enter. Then in the next bracket does just simply dot, that it is showing dot is checked. If toggle button is checked, then in the brackets tv underscore tutorials dot set visibility again to visible. If a toggle button is on or by on or clicked to be on, then our text views visibility will be on, and else if our toggle button is not on, then what do we need to do the Android, that is just simply tv dot underscore tutorials dot set visibility to be gone, again hide its visibility. Simple as it's. So coding is also completed, just take a overview of it. Yep, our class is also complete, and our text view, and a toggle button. Yeah, everything is done. We just now simply run our project to check how our application runs. Now I simply click on run button, and I will do connect my Android emulator through my Android mobile with the USB cable, that is Motorola XT1562, and do nothing. Simply just click on OK. Within a few seconds or few minutes, our Android application will be ready for testing. So guys, that our application is ready for testing, our toggle button application. So now you can see that at present our toggle button is off. Now I'm going to click on this toggle button, and let's see what's going to happen. So by I'm simply clicking on this, as you can see, when I clicked on toggle button, and it's become to be on, and it is showing our text view on which I have written Android tutorials. Now I'll again click it on it and make my toggle button to be off, and you can see that the toggle button has hide the text view Android tutorials. So guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe, share and like, and don't forget to write good comments in the comment box. Thank you.